Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are back in Apache Junction, Arizona, and we're in the Golden Acres Mobile Manor. This is a 1964 Liberty 10 by 41, approximately 410 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's available right away. The heat pump was updated last year, so it has brand new 2-ton heat pump in 2023. Also has the covered carport, $30-gallon water heater. This is located on a perimeter lot, so you don't have another home directly behind you. It has both the ramp and composite step entry. Nice deck with the sunscreens. So that's the west side. Also has a storage shed. And I believe the seller is going to take this patio set, but the rest of the furniture that you see here does stay here. But a really cool place. The windows have been updated to the white frame dual pane windows. I'm not sure if this is vinyl plank or laminate, but there's no carpet, so it has that wood-alike floor covering throughout. Kitchen has been updated. I believe that was in 2018 with updated cabinets and countertops, new sink. And of course the 30-inch smooth top range and over-counter microwave. Updated light fixtures. And it's nice and cool in here. It's another hot one. Hopefully we will be done with this hot weather by the end of this week. Bathroom has been remodeled as well with the walk-in shower, updated vanity, comfort height commode, and the bidet stays. Safety grab bar. And then the bedroom in the back. Some decent closet space. Looks like the blinds in the bedroom have been recently replaced as well. Shed with some shelving. There's some nice space back here. Even a peek view of the Superstition Mountains. This wouldn't be nice to have like a block patio back here if you wanted some more private outdoor space. This community is pet friendly as well, and they do allow fencing per community guidelines. They do allow larger dogs. There are some size and breed restrictions. Nice space in between the homes. And the driveway is back off the street a bit too, which is nice. The clubhouse area is just a couple doors down across the street there. I'll have some video footage of the clubhouse area and also the laundry facilities that the community offers, which are just 4 doors down on the right. But you can see nice asphalt streets, beautiful views of the Superstition Mountains. They also have a dog run in this community as well. This is close to banking, restaurant, shopping, the multi-gen center, city services. Space rent in this community currently is $505, and that includes the trash. So you would pay for sewer and water, and there's a base water fee and then plus use. But I'll have more information in the details section below this video. You can also visit my website, which is www.azactiveresorts.net/listings, and you can take a look at some of the other listings as well. There'll be a link on the photo of this listing that will take you to more detailed information, anything that I might not have covered in this video. But yeah, just very nice, clean. It was just cleaned and it's ready for immediate possession. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and then YouTube should notify you just as soon as one of these videos is posted to our channel. But good price point, low rent, family owned, 55+ community. And we can put you in touch with management to get a copy of the rules and ask any questions. But anyway, super cute place. All right, let me know what you guys think. And I appreciate you watching the channel. Appreciate all your likes, comments, and shares. Look forward to hearing from you soon.